Hello everyone and welcome to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about trading alerts. Okay, so um, I've seen a lot of people that are already trying to trade supply and demand, these buy zones and sell zones and however you want to call it. But the thing is, they mark up their zones and they're just waiting on the charts for hours and hours and hours. Okay, um, and I don't understand people that are just sitting in front of the charts and they keep, I don't know, drawing more zones and looking at other pairs. And I don't know, they want to do stuff in front of the charts. Okay, instead of just, setting their zones and just forgetting about it and move on with your day and do other stuff. Okay, exercise or meditate or cook or clean or whatever you want to do. Okay, there's plenty of stuff to do in our lives. We all have busy lives. So, something that people have to start using are trading alerts. Okay, so you can use alerts on TradingView, you can use alerts on MetaTrader if you use that, but they're pretty simple. Okay, to use alerts on TradingView. So literally you can just place alerts over here and you can set the price level that you want to alert to. So let's say in this example here, I already have an alert set for this zone. Okay, so I have this buy zone, I have these two buy zones over here. Okay, and this zone doesn't look like it's gonna respect the zone, so I'm probably gonna be interested in trading this next zone if obviously price is gonna respect this zone. So I don't want to wait here for 8 hours or 12 hours at the charts and just wait for price to come in the zone and then look at the lower time frame and then see if I can find an entry. No, what I want to do is I want to know when price is entering the zone and entering the certain price levels that I'm interested in. So what I do is just I set an alert over here and I'll just delete this one, so I'll make a new one from scratch. Okay, so let's say, okay, this zone is 623.623 is the top of the zone, so 62.3. Add alert for GJ. I just click twice, and then I could say, instead of, this is just default by TradingView, so what I would say is I don't even need GJ because I'm only trading GJ, so I can just say entering 4-hour zone. Okay, and if you want, you can say buy zone, whatever you want to say there. Okay, so then I have an alert set, and basically what I can do is I can just move away from the charts. I don't have to look at the chart. I can do everything I want. I can go for a walk and go have lunch or dinner or whatever. I can go exercise. So this is just this is just makes life so much easier. I recommend you use it. Well, I don't recommend you use it. You have to use it. Okay, it's not normal sitting at the chart for 8-9 hours a day. Okay, this is not a 9 to 5 job. Okay, we have to be patient. Okay, the key in trading is to be patient and wait for the right levels to get hit and then see if we can enter or not. Okay, this is all we have to do. And these alerts really simplify our lives. They make it just so much easier. We have to spend less time at the charts because we always know that less is more, guys. We have to only trade or be at the charts when it matters. Okay, we don't have to be at the charts the whole time when it's not important. So this even goes for lower time frames. So if you trade like supply and demand on lower time frames, on 15-minute or 5-minute or whatever you're trading, all these zones, you can say, okay, I'm gonna set an alert right here, this price level, and see if price comes in, and then I'm gonna look for an entry. Okay, this is basically what you can do. Obviously it depends on the time frame that you're trading. Okay, because the 4-hour obviously would take a longer time. The daily will even take a longer time. Okay, this will take a long time to get there. It will take almost a month to get there from this bottom to this high. The weekly will be even more, but it's important to set alerts, okay, because sometimes as we're using several time frames, you might get a bit confused. If you trade obviously one pair, you're not going to get that much, but you can say, okay, at the bottom of this weekly, I'm going to set an alert so I know when we're entering the weekly, and then you start looking at the weekly and the 4-hour levels between the weekly and all that stuff, and daily as well, 4 hour as well. And if you more intraday scalper, then you can do this as well in the lower time frames as well. So you don't have to sit at the charts for 50 minutes in a row or 4 hours in a row and just waiting and looking at the charts and doing all kinds of weird stuff. Okay, because it's literally just, guys, you draw one zone, you send an alert, and you move away. This is all you have to do. Okay, it's literally, it takes a couple minutes, like 1 or 2 minutes literally, to find the valid zone and put an alert, and you get away, and then you just wait for your zone to get hit, and that's basically it. Okay, so guys, use alerts. Okay, like I said, I don't recommend you use alerts. You have to use alerts, okay, in order to be consistent and work efficiently. So yeah, guys, I hope you like this video. If you have any more topics that you want us to talk about or any doubts that you may have, just let us know in the comments down below or send us a DM on Instagram, and we'll definitely get back to you and try to make a video about it. So yeah, guys, hope you liked it, and we'll see you in the next one.